Lily watched her grandpa Ezra carefully write in a big book.
Grandpa,
She asked.
what did people do before printers and computers?
Grandpa Ezra smiled. A long, long time ago, he said, people copied important books like the Bible, all by hand. Each one was a special manuscript.
But what if they made a mistake?
Lily wondered. That's a great question, said Grandpa Ezra. That's why having many, many copies is so helpful. When we compare all the copies together, we can see what the very first one most likely said. The people who copied the stories, called scribes, were very careful. They loved the words and wanted to get them just right. They would check their work over and over again to make sure there were no mistakes.
It's like the whisper game we play,
Said Lily. Exactly, Grandpa Ezra laughed. If one person hears the secret wrong, it gets mixed up. But if everyone writes down what they heard, we can look at all the papers and figure out the real secret. One day, something amazing happened, Grandpa Ezra said, his eyes twinkling. Explorers found a hidden cave with clay jars inside, and in those jars were very, very old copies of Bible stories, the Dead Sea Scrolls. It was like finding a library card from thousands of years ago. And guess what? Grandpa Ezra continued. When experts read those ancient scrolls, they found that they matched the Bibles we have today. There were tiny differences, like a different spelling, but the important message was exactly the same. Sometimes in our Bibles, you'll see a tiny number next to a word. That number leads to a footnote. It's like a helpful note that says, hey, another very old copy spells this word a little differently. Let's play a game, said Grandpa. He wrote down 2 sentences that were almost the same. Can you be a superscribe and spot the difference? Lily looked closely.
Aha! That word has 1 extra letter.
She shouted. You're a great copy checker, Grandpa Ezra said. Let's make our own scroll. Lily carefully wrote her favorite verse on a piece of paper, rolled it up, and tied it with a ribbon. It made her think about how much care the scribes took. So even though the Bible is a very old book, copied by many hands, we can trust it, said Grandpa Ezra, giving Lily a hug. All those copies, old and new, help us know the wonderful stories inside are the same ones people read long, long ago.